So guys, welcome po sa day 3 namin. At ngayong day 3, papunta po tayong Batangas. At mag-aaral po si Mimi ngayon mag-freedive. So, anong nararamdaman mo ngayon, Mi?
Natakot na.
Natatakot. Kung mag-alala, si Era ang bahala sa iyo. Isa sa mga pioneer coaches namin. So, see you guys there. Guys, so malapit na tayo sa Mabini, 30 minutes na lang. And si Mimi ay late na, hinihintay na siya ng kanyang coach doon. Sigurado papahirapan siya ni Era. I'm so excited, are you? Excited? Oh, walang energy. So guys, we are done with her freediving training. Honey, how was your freediving training? Are you tired?
I'm tired, but it was very fun.
So guys, check out her videos. And we're gonna upload it, and we'll see you next in Bali. So day 4, we're going to Bali, Indonesia. Point.
Wish I could be there for you.